shit fire. I've been rocking out with it ever since. Hey, I'm Shadario, and welcome to my home studio where we talk about music and a lot of equipment. So in my last video I put out, it was my top 5 UAD plugins. Well, I realized that everybody ain't rocking with UAD, so let's do a top 5 wave. Now, I use these plugins, with each other almost every mix, so these are really my top 5. I also added a bonus one in at the end, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video so you can find out which one that is. Ring the bell for notification, subscribe if you ain't already did it. Let's get into it. The L2 limiter. Now, I put this on my master just to go out in the car and listen to certain mixes. I want to turn it up. If you can't master, if you can't afford to pay somebody to master your track, throw this L2 on there, man. Set your ceiling and how much you plan on hitting the ceiling with. Rocking out. Coming in number 5. Coming in at number 4 is going to be the H Reverb. And I just kind of stumbled across this one day. I was mixing in Luna and shit fire. I've been rocking out with it ever since, man, as far as reverb. Now, UAD got one, pull it up almost every session, rocking out with it. Now we finna get into some real good stuff, all right? Coming in number 3 is gonna be the Wave de-esser. I've been using this one here for a long time. When I first started getting into music, we had the crack version. This de-esser never did me wrong. Your audio, set your audio to wide, man, pick your frequency, get your side chain together, dog, and I guarantee you, your vocals gonna sound crispy. You had to know this one was on my list. The SSL Channel. Now, the EQ on it, you got a compressor, standard gate, but me, I only use it for the EQ. I'm more of a knob guy, so I got a lot of hardware gear now. Got some dope presets in it too, just to get you started. I use one of these presets on my kicks all the time, just to get me started, and then I just kind of freak it in, depends on the kick or the song that I'm mixing. Coming in at number 1, you had to know that this was number 1. API 550 EQ. EQ just fire. I'm able to dial in. I like the knobs. I don't feel like these plugins give me no certain type of sound or nothing like that, but it's good tools, and if you got the right tools for the job, you're gonna get the job done. That's coming in number 1. If you stuck around to the end of the video, here's my bonus wave plugin that should be on your mix, the R bass. So if you trying to make them trap beats, you want that thing to hit, throw this R bass on it, man, and play around with the frequencies. Your shit gonna be hitting. When you throw this R bass on there and then you side chain your kick and your bass together, it be hitting so hard. I got 212 sundowns, and every time I do a mix, I go out there into the car, and I'm that side chain with this R bass. Hey, you gotta have your levels, everything gotta be right. But that's gonna do it, man, for the video. You can subscribe, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Last week, I think I was at 70 subscribers. Today, I'm at 83. Hey, man, there's 13 subscribers within a week, man. I appreciate everybody, man. If you liking this content, give me a thumbs up. I plan on dropping a video every week. See y'all in the next one. Peace.